guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA Deviate Nitro SP. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us with the algorithms. Throw some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got to look at the PUMA Deviate Nitro SP, and we got this in the PUMA white colorway, even though I wouldn't really call it a PUMA white, but alas, that's what PUMA have called it. So we got these in a UK size 7.5, European 41, and it's US 8.5, and let's show you what I mean. Here, it's more multicolored and it reminds me of the Flyknit rainbow sneakers, but these are running sneakers, really lightweight. I can't really show that to you guys, like, you have to trust me on that. But yeah, these are Puma's running sneakers. They're their newest design, incorporating their newest technologies. But before we delve in, we'll have a look at the outsole. So looking at this outsole, it is a Puma grip rubber outsole. So you've got a lot of traction padding here. Obviously these sneakers were designed for running, and you can see exposed bits of the IMEVA nitro, forgive me, it's nitro foam, it's not IMEVA. And if you look in the middle here, you can see it says inner plate, and that is Puma's little shank plate that's found in the middle. And what that is, that's incorporated for the running, that acts as a layer to provide maximum energy from the toe off. Moving along onto the midsole, so I alluded to it before on the outsole unit, but looking at the midsole, you've got Puma's nitro foam technology incorporated here. What that is, that's just Puma's advanced technology providing responsiveness and cushioning in a lightweight package. So hopefully it gives you that bounce back ability when you're lifting your toes off the feet every time you step up and run. Now we move along onto the upper. So according to Puma, this is Puma white, but as I mentioned, there's a lot of multicolors here, and it's a textile upper, blend of meshes, loads and loads and loads of heated plastics where you can see the multicoloredness there. If you look at the inner, so just where your big toe would be, you got a Puma logo there, and it's heat pressed, so a lot of it is plastic heat. And you see the foam strip there, what Puma is renowned for. Again, I can't like rave on about how lightweight these sneakers are, really is. I can see its benefits, obviously being a running sneaker. You look at the tongue, so it's just a quite thin, nicely cushioned tongue. You got a fast lace enclosure there with flat laces. You look at the inner, so you've got run, cool, adapt, and it's very soft. You guys will have to take my word for this, but the insole is really, really soft, and it's just nice and comfortable. Now we move along onto the heel, so the heel unit. So it mentions it in the product description, there is a TPU heel unit here, and it's there for your support, and it's not as thick and like plasticky as I think. Obviously you see the big ones, and sometimes it will cause you to get any blisters, but I don't really see that here. Doesn't seem like it's going to cause any troubles, and you can't really see it, but there are some padding support on the inside where your ankle and heel would be. The whole sneaker is a sock line anyway, so it's just there for your breathability, easy access to put on, and obviously with it being so lightweight, a reduction of materials being used. So that rounds it off. There you got the Puma logo at the heel. I forgot to mention that, in a kind of synthetic nubuck material, and that rounds it off. I'm really excited to try these on. They remind me a lot of Nike Fly X, I think that's what it's called, Vapor Fly, It's the Vaporfly, that's it, because of this silhouette and the big midsole unit. So hopefully it incorporates a lot of that technology, that responsiveness when I'm running. So roll that footage of me trying these running sneakers on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size PUMA fit. I'm a size UK 7.5. These are a perfect fit for me. My toes are where they need to be, and these are really comfy. I'm a big fan now of this nitro foam that PUMA have incorporated. It's really bouncy. It reminds me of Adidas Ultra Boost. And yeah, I can see another spring in my step whilst I run now. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.